Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rudy Pean here, owner and operator of RCJ Tax and Credit Repair Services. So a lot of you guys are actually getting your refunds this week, and that's a great thing. The PATH Act has officially been lifted. That means those clients that have refunds with kids attached to it, they're now getting deposit dates and deposits. So congratulations. But now, what is the next step? What do you need to do once you get your tax refund? Okay, it's very important that you guys don't go out there and spend the money immediately, but invest it not only in yourself, but in your family. So we have top 10 things you should do with your refund to look forward to the future and setting up a nice nest egg for you and your family. Number one thing, guys, you gotta create an emergency fund. As you can see in this pandemic, anything can happen. And if you don't have cash on reserve and you're unable to go to work or you're laid off, now you're not going to have enough emergency funds either for your mortgage, your rent, your car note, credit card payments, or anything like that. So make sure you take a portion of that money and put it into an emergency fund. Same as putting it into a savings account, but don't put it in a traditional savings account. Either invest in some type of high yielding savings account or speak to a financial advisor. They're 100% free to speak with. They'll give you advice on what to do with your money and help you save for the future. Currently, right now, my wife and I, we have a 401k, and we enjoy that process with our financial advisor. He's helped us get on a perfect budget, not only for ourselves, for our business, and also putting a nest egg for our kids. So be sure to put some money into a savings account. Another thing that's great to do with your cash refund is pay off some debt. A lot of you guys might have built up some credit card debt over the pandemic. Well, take some time out, look at your interest rate, call your credit card company, and negotiate with them some type of debt payoff. If you guys ever need assistance doing something like that, we also offer credit repair services, and that's part of our program that we offer as well, is debt payoff and debt consolidation with high credit card limits. Very, very important, guys. You got to fund your retirement. Figure out a way to not only invest in a 401k, but potentially a Roth IRA, and also putting a little bit aside in a savings account. We're going to need a lot of money in the future to retire, especially if the Social Security is not going to be there for a lot of us in the next 40 years. So it's very, very important, guys. You know, have some seed money for college. You know, some of you guys are going to have kids that are graduating. They're getting older and older and older. It's very nice to go out there, look for grants early, obviously apply for financial aid, but it's also nice to have some type of money saved aside for college funds for your kids. So be sure to do that early and often, especially with the new child tax credit and stimulus payments that parents are getting because of a newborn that was born in 2021. Some clients have gotten up to $6,000 alone in that. That's a good portion of money to put aside for college. Now this one is very, very important as well, which is paying off some of your mortgage. See, right now, interest rates are really, really low. So if you can get out there and negotiate with your lender a better interest rate, go ahead and refinance that mortgage. That'll definitely put some more money in your pocket long term, especially in a 30-year mortgage. Start a business. Guys, we offer business consulting here at RCJ Tax and Credit Repair. If you guys ever have any questions, not only about tax when it comes for businesses, but how to separate your personal income from your business income, potentially starting an LLC, get in contact with us and we'll be able to help you out with that and fully understand the tax benefits when it comes to working full-time as a W-2 employee and also having a side business on the side for those tax deductions or write-offs that we spoke about before in our previous video. Definitely go out there and make some home improvements. A lot of you guys have been working from home. Now you've been thinking about maybe upgrading your chair because your back hurts, getting a new desk, maybe getting a second monitor. Take those funds and improve your home. Guys, we spend a lot of time at home, especially the last couple of years, so make sure you're at a place where you're very, very comfortable. This one right here, investing in the stock market. Obviously, as we know, any investments that we do is going to be a risk. So if you're going to go into the stock market, don't go on traditional crypto or NFTs. Go into something that you fully understand. Speak with a broker when it comes to investing in stocks and fully understand the tax codes when it comes to those capital gains that you will pay at the end of the year, which is a good thing because if you're paying capital gains, that means you made some money on your stock portfolio. And last but not least, guys, again, to harp back on the pandemic, unfortunately, a lot of lives have been lost. A lot of us lost close friends and family members. And investing in buying life insurance is very, very important because God forbid unforeseen emergency happens and you yourself or a spouse or a family member happens to pass away. See, that insurance policy can also pay for the funeral costs, but also pay out large dividends to immediate family members. And you can take that money and change the dynamics of your families. Be sure to look at some insurance policies out there. It's very, very beneficial. A lot of them also come with certain stipulations to where you can take that money out and invest it in real estate. So definitely, be mindful about that. But again, top 10 things to do once you get that tax refund, guys. Don't go out there and buy sneakers, buy a new TV. Invest, invest, invest. Save, save, save. Be sure to follow us on all social media platforms, not only on YouTube, but also on Facebook and Instagram. See you there.